All right, practice problem 1. Let's see how you did on your own. So for the first line, the y-intercept is 2. Put that on the graph. The slope as a fraction would be 4 over 1. Positive, so that means up 4. Oops, up 4 and right 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I'm also going to go down and left just to get some more points on this line. So down 4 and left 1. That's just so I can make sure I have as many points so I can see where they intersect if they're going to intersect. Add arrows because lines go on forever. Switch colors for your second line. This y-intercept is -1, which is down here. And the slope is the same, 4 over 1, so we're going up and to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, oh, out of room. So down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and left 1. So these lines are really close together, but they're never going to touch. These lines are parallel, so there's no solution. On the next slide, I'll justify. There's no solution because the lines never intersect. So just to say because the lines are parallel isn't quite a reason. I need you to tell me what parallel means. Because the lines never intersect. Or you can explain to me about their slopes and y-intercepts. So you could say slopes are the same, but y-intercepts are different. So that's another way to explain that the lines will not intersect. But you can't just say because the lines are parallel. I need to know what that means. Practice problem 2. We're going to label each graph as having one solution, no solution, or infinitely many, and then we need to explain why is that happening. All right. So for number 1, this is the same line. So we're going to say this is infinite solutions. And we'll say same slope, same y-intercept. For the second one, second graph, okay, we've got a clear point of intersection. So there's one solution. And we can just say the lines intersect. And for the last one, we've got parallel lines. So there's no solution because the lines never intersect. So that's it for these. You've got 2 more practice problems and then your exit ticket.